All right, I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to take a video off of your phone and put it onto our shared file from Facebook. So you'll actually start on Facebook. So you'll go to Facebook, go to our group, and then go to that little, whoa, really bright here. Go to that link, so that link that I put on there. So I'm just going to click onto it. And then it will ask you to type in the password, which again was lockdown. And oops, I'm in the wrong link. Hold on. I gotta go to the, here we go, public folder. So let me put in lockdown, which was capitalized lockdown, one word. And then select which folder you want to put it into. So I'm just going to temporarily select the intro, adjusting the camera. So let's say I videotaped myself adjusting the camera and maybe having a conversation or whatever we decide to do. So I'm going to click that folder. And then on here, there's a place on the top that says upload files to this folder. So I'm going to click onto that and then choose the file. And then I can flip through my phone and select which one I want. So I'm going to, it'll say photo library or take a video, which you could just right then and there take a video from your phone. I want to maybe choose which one I'm going to do. So I'm going to go through my photo library and have one that I've pre-recorded. So then I can go through, I'm going to select one that I shot with my friend Danny. I'm going to hit add, and then it'll upload to that file folder. So it's just that simple. I'm not actually going to put that one in there because that is not part of this project. But that's all you would do. And then it would take a little while and it would upload. So I recommend doing this somewhere where you have decent internet so that it will move quickly. And that's all she wrote.